Hello everyone. I'm Dr. Tanu Dang, Assistant Professor, Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Language University, Lucknow. In the last lecture, we talked about exploring media opportunities and we also discussed the various skills that are required in a journalism student. Today, we will be talking about the same series and we will be discussing the various traits that the employers look for in journalism students or in journalists when they hire people. So these are certain skills that we will be talking about today that you must have if you actually want to make it to the journalism career. First thing is good verbal and written communication skills. We all know that if you're going and heading for a field like journalism or a career in journalism, you must have good communication skills. The communication skills that you want or require are verbal skills and written skills. You must be able to speak well, you must be able to write well. Many a times, many of the students, they either speak well or they write well. Now it is entirely up to the student to realize which is their area of strength. If you are good at speaking, concentrate on that skill and improve upon it. If you are good at writing, concentrate on that skill and improve upon it. If you try to balance both and if you are good at both of them, you can polish both the skills, but you must be a good communicator, either verbally or in the written form. Next is good listening skills. Many a times we actually ignore the importance of listening. We are always keen on speaking, but listening is a very important skill. In fact, I think listening is the most important component of the communication process. If you're not good at listening, you cannot be a good communicator. So, if you have good listening skills, what does this do for you? This helps you understand other person's opinion. This helps you widen your area of knowledge. If you actually want to be employed in a good organization, employers want you to have good listening skills. Not just listening to other people, but also listening to your team members, listening to your cameraman, listening to your designer, listening to your stage manager is very, very important to work as a team. So that is one skill that you must have if you want to be employed in a good organization. Next is honesty and integrity. We know that media is going through a topsy turvy phase, but that doesn't mean we should leave the honesty and integrity, which is the core component with which journalism started. All employers are looking for honest journalists who are not just dedicated to their work but also honestly represent the facts for the audience. Objectivity is a very important component of news writing, and only a journalist with good integrity can do objective stories. Next is good interpersonal skills. It is a very important trait that the employers look for. If you're a journalist and if you go out and do a story in the field, you must have good interpersonal skill. Only then you will be able to get the information that you want from different sources. So good interpersonal skills is something that the employers look for. Next is strong work ethic. Media is evolving rapidly. Media is now working 24/7. So, definitely, if you want to work for media, you must have strong dedication to give your maximum time to the organization. Now, in the age of breaking news, you are on a call 24/7. And if you really want to go for the journalism career, you should prepare yourself for it. But I will also like to point out here that if you plan your stories well in advance, you actually need not work for 24 hours. So, if you have that skill of planning your stories, delivering them in time, you will not have to actually work for 24/7. Next is teamwork. As I already mentioned, every employer wants you to have good team working skills. When you're working in media, you definitely need to work as a team. And if you have good team management skills, your chances of getting hired are really, really higher. Next is analytical skills. Everybody in the media is working for a similar story, or maybe many a times the same story. Now you must have the skills to differentiate your story from the other channels, from the other newspapers. If you have the ability and the capability to do that, you are definitely going to be hired by best companies in media. Next is motivation. When we talk about journalism, it should come from within. Nobody can force you to be a journalist. It has to be something that comes from within. So if you really feel motivated about this field, then definitely you're going to be hired by all the employers. Flexibility and adaptability. Now, this trait is something that has become even more important after the lockdown era or the COVID era. We all have worked under different situations, under different pressures, in different circumstances, with different equipments, and now we have actually learned to be more flexible in our working. So, if you are flexible enough, if you are ready to change with the changing times, if you have been able to cope up with the COVID era, then definitely this job is going to be yours. Computer skills. Many a times, many people say that we are not going to work on a desktop. I'm just a writer or I'm just a photographer. I need not understand what technical skills go into editing. But that is something you cannot say in today's time. We all know that today is the time of mobile journalism. Most of the people are doing their stories, even recording videos, making entire films on a phone, and with so many softwares which are available on the phone itself. So nowadays you cannot say I do not know technology. If you want to be hired, you must understand the different technological platforms and also understand how to use them. Next is you must be detail oriented. This is a very important thing that your employer would want from you. If you are not keen on details, then definitely your story can be wrong at times or may be loaded with facts which are not verified. In journalism, we often say, whenever in doubt, either find out or leave out. So if you have any doubt in the story, you must have the ability to correct it before it goes for print or whether if it goes for broadcast. So if you have that eye for detail, you are definitely going to be hired for this, for this quality. Next is leadership skills. I think that leadership skills come automatically as soon as students enroll themselves in journalism. But definitely these are not the leadership skills that the employers are looking for. Leadership skills mean for the employer that you must come up with new ideas of doing stories which are based on different themes, which can be done differently, which can be presented differently. They want you to come up with ideas of promoting a story, of promoting a program in an innovative and different way. So if you have that imagination, you are definitely going to get a good job. Next is organizational skills. Because when we talk of journalism, organization becomes very important. You must not just be having the ability to organize the facts properly, but you must also be aware of how the story needs to be aligned. What are the pictures that will go into it? If you have good organization skills, you are definitely going to be hired. Next is strong IQ and EQ. We all know that your intelligence quotient is very important. Most of the employers have been looking for it in all kinds of jobs. You must have an intellectual ability, especially in the field of journalism. But after the post-COVID era, and because of so many breakdowns that people have been going through emotionally, EQ has become equally important characteristic. Employees want to ensure that you are emotionally strong, especially in the field of journalism, when there are so many challenges, so many new different types of news. There are blasts, there are murders, there are so many other stories that might move you from the core of your heart. If you do not have a strong emotional quotient, you will break down and you will not be able to do stories in a perfect manner. So nowadays, the employers really want to ensure that you should have not just a good IQ, but also a good EQ. These are about the various skills that the employers are looking for when they are going to hire journalism students. In the next lecture, we will talk about the different opportunities in different media fields. That is all for today. Thank you.